Thank you so much for the warm welcome. Well, we are delighted to be here to be with you at CableLabs' 30th anniversary. Modern day streaming stands on the shoulders of cable's pioneers, so it seems only fitting that we should partner with all of you to help deliver the next generation of TV, computer, phone, sports, and gaming entertainment. Alcacruz technologies can give cable a virtual corner on the entertainment industry. I want to talk to you for a moment today about the power of immersion and connection. All of us want to be part of something greater than ourselves, to feel it deeply and to let it stir and inspire us. Imagine experiencing the thrill of victory in fully immersive 360 live streaming with your family in your living room. The first product we're going to talk to you about today is SuperStream. SuperStream is a fully immersive 360 live stream for the TV, computer, phone, and VR headsets. We are live streaming right now from a dance studio in sunny California. Here's our wonderful CTO, Keith Ha. So what we're showing you is SuperStream. We're live streaming right now. You can see the Latin dancers. They're doing a wonderful job. Picture this fully immersive 360 live streaming being delivered to your TV or cable streaming app. The picture quality is superb. We are able to live stream in whatever resolution your camera uses. So if you use a 6K camera, we can live stream in 6K. Notice that there is no buffering. It's very smooth and seamless. And Keith is just changing the picture angle. You can do this on your TV remote and feel like you're right there in the middle of all the dancers. We send over much less data. It is actually very difficult and rare to find a full 360 immersive 6K VR live stream. Typically, when you can find it, and sometimes it's just 180, those companies live stream at 28 to 30 megabits per second. Ours is very lightweight. Our 6K live stream right now in a full 360 live streams in only 7 megabits per second. It's extremely lightweight and fast. The other industry problems are, obviously you can see there are latency, processing problems. Ours have none. Ours are very smooth, very quick, instantaneous. We're doing this right now with no delay in processing. Also too, if you're sort of used to watching VR on the phone, what you'll notice is because phones like a super processor and there's a lot of data going through, what you'll see typically is that the apps will buffer, the phones will get really hot because they lack a super processor, and then typically it'll drain the battery life and the phone will shut down. With this, what you're witnessing is beautiful 360 live stream with no buffering, no phone drainage, excellent picture quality, and we will stream in whatever resolution you want. The other thing is, because we use much less data, we're extremely cost effective. Compared to conventional VR streaming in 6K, we save over, get this, 85% of cloud costs. So SuperStream is the best and most effective and cost-effective, VR and 360 live streaming. Now, we're going to take you to a product that I love that's called Multiview. This is what it would look like on the VR headset. But when I show it to you, remember, you can do it not just on the VR headset, you can do it live on your TV or your computer. What I'm showing you right now is 4 games, four sports games. When you look forward, you see one game. You look to the right, you see another. You look to the left, you see another. And you look to the back, you see a 4th game. Now picture, this is a simultaneous 4-way live stream of 4 different games. That's really exceptional. And you can either watch 4 games concurrently, or you can watch one game with 4 different views. It can be games, baseball, football, basketball. It can be concerts. So picture my husband is a sports nut. Sunday afternoon, you've had a long week at work. You want to settle down, have your favorite snacks, settle in your armchair, and you're thinking, which football game should I watch? I want to watch several. Now you don't have to pick. You can watch all 4 games on your TV at the same time, and you don't miss out on key moments. This is a view of what multi-stream looks like on your TV. You can configure it any number of different ways. We just chose 4 screens in a layout. You can do 6, you can do 2. Now picture, remember the NBA Finals, sort of that J.R. Smith brain freeze moment? Picture, if you had multi-screen, you could see LeBron James' reaction instantaneously and live right now instead of 1 or 2 days later. And NBA Twitter would have blown up the internet. Now, as most of you know, esports is a huge and explosively growing industry, especially amongst millennials. The biggest advertising event in the US is the Super Bowl, which last year drew 103 million viewers. But compare that with the League of Legends Mid-Season Invitational, which last year drew over 360 million unique viewers. Now this is what multi-view would look like in esports. And you could play it this way on a VR headset. You could also play it this way on your TV. So think about all those esports fans and millennials that you could delight by letting them watch 4 different games concurrently or 4 views of the same game. Our technology is extremely easy to implement. This is what SuperStream and Multiview could look like on your cable streaming app. The VR and the AR markets are poised for explosive near-term growth. But don't take our word for it. This is a study from Deloitte at October 2017, which showed that the actual spend on VR and AR products in 2017 was $9.1 billion, but predicted and projected that the spend on AR and VR products by 2021 will be $160 billion. Now, if you remember anything about our time together, remember these 3 numbers. 360. We stream in a fully immersive 360 live stream, which can really delight your customers as they're taking control over what view angle they want for their programming. We will save you 85% of any cloud or streaming costs. And our product is very lightweight. Our 4K live stream streams at 3.5 megabits per second. Our 5K live stream streams at 5 megabits per second, and our 6K live stream, streams at 7 megabits per second. And all of this adds up to the best and most cost-effective 360 live stream. Now you might be saying, Emily, okay, you're no math whiz. Yeah, I'm no math whiz. But what I can tell you is, we'll make you money, we'll save you money, and we will delight your customers. So Alcacruz Technologies can give all of you a virtual corner in the entertainment industry. When viewers want to watch traditional TV, they're able to watch in 2D, which you've already perfected, but the next generation of viewers, they want more, and they expect more. And by using SuperStream and Multiview, you can give your viewers a lot more. So thank you very much, everyone, for your kind attention. And I did want to give a special thank you to the CableLabs and the UpRep teams. You guys have been phenomenal. So thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you at Tech Stadium. Thank you.